Let us begin with Unit 7 Skeletal System and Nervous System. Introduction. The skeletal system includes all the bones of the body along with the joints, where they are attached to each other. It protects the organs of the body. For movement, the skeletal system works in association with muscular system that is made up of over 600 muscles. Now, the nervous system is highway with brain that sends and receives information around the body. Now, the skeleton. You can see human skeleton in this figure. What is skeleton? Skeleton is the internal framework of bones that gives a distinct shape and support to the body. There are 206 bones in an adult human body, although a newborn baby has about 300 bones at birth. Now, some bones get fused gradually as the child grows up, so it will decrease from 300 to 206 bones. Next, bones require nutrition for maintenance and growth. What they require? They require calcium, phosphorus, and some vitamins. Now, if you touch a bone, it is very hard from outside, while on inside they are soft and spongy and are filled with a soft fatty material called bone marrow. Now, in this figure, you can see some of the parts of a skeleton. Next, we are going to discuss parts of a skeleton. There are various parts of a skeleton, which as follows. First one, skull. Second one, rib cage. Third one, backbone or spine. Fourth one, limbs. Fifth one, girdles. Now, each one we are going to discuss in detail. First one, skull. Skull is a hard bony structure that protects the brain. It is made up of 22 bones. As you can see in this figure, the upper portion of a skull is made up of 8 flat bones which are interlocked together, and it covers our brain, while the remaining 14 bones will make our face bone. Now, out of the skull bones, only the lower jaw, your chin region, it is movable, which help us to eat and talk. Second one, rib cage. The bones that enclose the heart and lungs from the rib cage. It is like a cage-like structure. Inside that, our heart and lungs are situated. Now, in rib cage, it includes ribs, sternum, and vertebral column. There are 12 pairs of ribs. One from this side, another from this side. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now each rib is a thin flat bone that is joined with the long backbone at back. You can see that ribs are joined at back, that to backbone, and it is joined to front region to a one bone that is called breastbone or sternum. Now, the lowest two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs because they are not joined to sternum. They are joined only to backbone. Now, in some humans, they are having one extra pair of ribs. They are called gorilla ribs. Next one, sternum. Sternum is also known as breastbone. As you can see in this figure, the orange color part. It looks like a necktie. Is it so? Yes. It is a long, narrow, flat bone that forms the front of the chest. Now, fourth one, backbone. As you can see in this figure, it starts from here. This pull is called backbone or spine. It supports our body and protects our spinal cord. Spinal cord, which is situated inside the backbone. Now, the skull is attached to the backbone. Now, this backbone is made up of small 33 bones, which we can call it as vertebrae. Now, this vertebrae form a strong column. It is called vertebral column. Now, the vertebrae are interconnected in such a way that it makes blending and twisting possible. So we are able to bend and to erect stand. And you can twist your body in sideways as you wish. This is possible because of vertebral column. This is all about today's lecture. Now next topic we will discuss in next lecture or in next video. Thank you.